So guys, this is where we stopped on the last video. Okay, now here I want to explain some certain things here before we hit on publish. If you understand what I did before, which is I selected a new post here because I wanted to do more brand awareness. Now it must not usually mean that you must promote a particular product when you are doing brand awareness. It can be something like about your product, about your page, about your brand, about your business, about anything at all. It must not necessarily mean that you are actually promoting what you are selling. Maybe you can just put your product pages there, right? The product images, do brand awareness so that people can get it. Now, when you want to do the main ad, maybe you want to get more, you want to get more sales, you can still select the main existing post again. That means after 5 days of doing the brand awareness campaign, you have gotten a lot of reactions on those posts, comments, reactions, likes, and a lot of people have seen that ad. This will help your ad to make more performance, right? Now, what I'm going to do next is when you want to run the next ad, you can select another objection. So the first ad you did was brand awareness. The second one is going to do now is for sales. Now, you are targeting people who are likely to buy your product next. Because the last one you did was a brand awareness. You want people to see more of the product you are selling or more about your businesses. So right now, what you need to do is to create a Facebook ad campaign. Basically, conversion ad or sales campaign. I'm going to explain all these things why this trend is still coming up. Right now, in this particular place, now I'm going to explain some certain things for you to understand here. The first thing is what we have here, call to action button. I can change call to action button here. From learn more, we have apply now. All these things have their own different meaning and settings, depending on the kind of ad you are running, depending on the kind of campaign you want your customers to see or your prospect to see. Now we have applying. Applying simply means that maybe you are trying to promote an event. You want them to apply on that event or a training. We have book now. Maybe you want them to call you. You want them to book an appointment with you. Contact us, download your page, download anything, your products, videos, or even download your PDF, something like that. We have get direction. Maybe you want them to come to your physical events or your office or your hotel. We have get quotes. You want them to get a quote about a particular thing at all you are selling. We have get show times. All these have their own reasons and meanings. We have listing. Maybe you are into music productions. You want them to listen to your music. You have your own music playlist, something like. Once you select it, it's going to give you access to where you need to put the link. You have send messages. Send messages is going to be like send message to your page. But for me, I don't really like that send message campaign call to action button. Some people like it too anyways. We have order now. We have request time. This order now is basically used for e-commerce products. And I'm going to be explaining all these things why this course is going on. We have request time, we have save. We have see menu, we have sign up, we have subscribe, we have watch more, we have send WhatsApp message. If you want the call to action button to be send WhatsApp message, that means you must have a WhatsApp connected to your Facebook page. And when you add this button, your prospect, maybe people that will see your ad, will click on the WhatsApp button and come to your WhatsApp DM. So right now, I'm going to leave it at learn more. So that's what I want to say. I want to clear here so that once we finish after this particular video, now when we go to the next one, you understand what I'm doing. Maybe when I selected in particular call to action button. Next thing is we have placement and edit. Right? You can edit any placement you want, and I want to show you something. If you want to see how your ad appears on any option, you click on advanced preview so that you see how your ad is appearing in everywhere. So you see this is how you're going to appear on your Facebook feed on the mobile phone. Now on Instagram, this is how you're going to appear. On the Facebook marketplace, it's going to appear like this. If you scroll down on the video views feed, it's going to appear like this. Now on Instagram Explorer, maybe somebody search for something, it's going to appear like this. Stories and Reels, this is how everything is going to appear here. Then we have Reels on Facebook. We have Instagram video ads. All those things matters a lot in some of the where you want the ad to show. Because of I choose that advanced placement or automatic placement. I don't choose manual. That's why all my ad is showing everywhere. Alright, that is why my ad is showing everywhere. Now you might have come across something like this on some video ads on Facebook, and you're wondering how this thing appeared there. Those guys choose automatic placement. They didn't choose manual. That is why this is appearing everywhere. So if you scroll down, you see this thing. Now, this particular one now shows on mobile phone. Maybe you are browsing through internet, maybe into Boomplay or any music player apps or something like that. Something will just pop up like this on your ad on your phone, and it's an advertisement by Facebook. That's what we mean by apps and sites audience network. So it shows on mobile apps most times. So it is what I want to show you so that you understand some certain things. So if I select manual placement, I can control where I want my ad to be showing. So you can click on share. You can share the link somewhere. You can copy the link and share it to some people to see your ad before you are creating it. Maybe your clients need to see their ad created, something like that. We have more settings. You can click on more settings, But all these things, we don't really need these more settings. So I'm just showing around so that you see what is happening on the side. Then we have send notification to Facebook. Okay, send notification to Facebook. Facebook will see it. So it's nothing. So the next thing is to do now is to scroll down, mobile preview, leave here. We have publish. Now, if I hit on publish, this ad will go live. Facebook now will now be the people to review this ad. If it passes their ad policies, they're going to make it to be live, and your ad will start running on Facebook. So if your ad does not work or go against Facebook, if your ad goes against Facebook policies, they will bounce it back. They will reject it. So if your Facebook ads campaign, your copies, your image you're using in your ad is silently, you are going to win the market. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we are going to select another ad campaign objective to test the creation of the ad. So see you in the next video.